Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 40 to an Android device. First of all, just open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, click on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola device. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top, and from them select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, tap on Send next to select it. Then click on Got It in the pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. After that, your devices will connect. If you prefer inputting this key though, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!